Under the leadership of the Reverend Dr. Scott Morris, the Memphis-based Church Health Center has provided quality health care for thousands of working poor and underinsured people in the Mid-South.
Now, after 26 years, the Church Health Center has added a new member to its leadership team, a man from across the pond with serious credentials and the will to make the Church Health Center a model for the world when it comes to quality health care. The new president of the Church Health Center.
I'd like to think we're creating a wellness epidemic. And this place, Crosstown, is going to be the epicenter of that.
Has a clear vision of how the nonprofit healthcare provider will move into the future. Antony Sheehan was most recently a fellow at the Institute for Healthcare Improvement in Boston, a think tank dedicated to improving healthcare. He was also the Director General for NHS, England's Department of Health, and he has high praise for the way the Church Health Center takes care of people.
The model of primary care here is one of the best I've ever seen, and I used to run primary care services back in England.
Church Health Center founder Dr. Scott Morris recruited Sheehan.
I think Antony has got three great talents. He's brilliant, he's humble, and he's hilarious.
Morris also appreciates Sheehan's administrative expertise.
One of our challenges is that many people still see the Church Health Center as a small clinic on the corner of Peabody and Bellevue in Midtown. And we're much bigger than that now. We're much bigger than that in Memphis, but we truly are a national, you could even argue international organization, to the point that we had to reach across the pond to come get our president.
In addition to lifting the Church Health Center's image and managing the center's move to the Crosstown Sears building, Sheehan also envisions the center expanding services to people with behavioral health issues, such as mental illness and addiction.
There is clearly manifestly a need there, and we wouldn't be true to our word if we didn't match that need in some way. So our intent is to develop those kind of services over time.
Just a glimpse into the future of the Church Health Center.
And Antony has come alongside me to help lead this organization down a path where I think everybody in Memphis will say, man, I am so glad the Church Health Center was born here and lives here, and yet its reach is far beyond the banks of the Mississippi.
And Dr. Morris says he's not going anywhere. He's going to be doing what he's always done for the Church Health Center, focusing on the long-term goals and the vision for the healthcare provider. As for Antony Sheehan, he says the hardest adjustment moving to Memphis has been the heat, but that everyone has made him feel most welcome.